Vlog 15. I didn't think I'd even get here. 14 videos ago, I just needed an escape. But now, it's become part of me. This is not a goodbye, just a pause. Not because I'm tired of creating, but because I want to return with more clarity, more soul. Even stories need space to breathe, so do we. Every vlog taught me something. How to keep going, how to stay soft, how to heal, even while holding a camera. This isn't just about documenting my days, it's about discovering myself. I didn't expect 14 vlogs to carry this much meaning. It started as a distraction, but each frame, each edit became a reflection of me. Not perfect, not planned, just honest. Taking a break is not a weakness, it's wisdom. Even machines overheat, even the sun takes time to rise again. So if you don't see me for a bit, know that I'm just resting, not disappearing, not lost, just remembering myself. This is not the end, just the silence before something new. And when I come back, I'll have more stories to tell, more of me to share from a deeper, clearer place. I'll take a break just for a day or two. Maybe walk slower, breathe deeper, think without recording it. Then I'll come back, not with perfect edits, but with a full heart. Thank you for watching 15 vlogs. A little break, and then I'll see you again.